right, in today's video, we're going to check out how to remove Azure provisioned users from the Cisco Secure Access dashboard. These are the four users we're going to look into. However, no, we're going to go ahead and delete the first one, which is as a boss. And then we're going to go ahead and remove the network Viking as well. We're not going to touch this user and this user. So we're going to remove two. And yeah, let's jump into the Azure portal and go ahead and remove from there. All right, so here in Azure, I'm going to go ahead and remove the first one and remove the network Viking, which is the third one. Let me just go ahead and select these two and click on a remove that you see right here, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. All right, so it's going to ask me, hey, you want these to be removed and so on. So I just click on that and voila, these are gone, right? Now there's another step that we need to take before going back to the secure access dashboard, and that would be to go ahead and update the provisioning. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it and then take it forwards from there. All right, so let's click on provisioning and right, come on. All right. So it shows up as two users. However, what we need to do is we need to start to re-provision it. If we check out the provisioning details, it says 5:15:53, 5:15. That's almost 10 minutes ago. However, let's just go ahead and make sure that we have the changes done. So I'm going to go ahead and click on stop provisioning. That's what I clicked on. Stop provisioning and then say OK. And let me just go ahead and do that. Say OK. Now the provisioning is stopped. Now what I need to do is I need to go ahead and click on start provisioning, right? And once I do that, we should be good. Start provisioning and voila. It is done. Now, if I go back to my secure access, you'll find that two of those users are gone. Let's jump back to the secure access dashboard. All right, so we're back at the dashboard and we see these users. We saw these users before as well. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page and then show you the results. All right, so as soon as I refresh the page, we see that we just have three results now, right? And out of the four Azure users, we removed two and we're left with just two now. Now, from the Azure portal, and you saw that I clicked on stop provisioning and then start provisioning rather than clicking on a restart provisioning. Well, that happens with Azure sometimes that, if you just click on a restart provisioning, it doesn't actually work. So in order to, kick it in, just make sure that you stop it and then start it, and that will trigger it. That's what happened in my case. And yeah, if in case you're facing that issue, you know what to do now, right? So yeah, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, put in a comment, that helps a lot, and like the video and share it with others and help me grow the channel. Thank you so much. You have a great day. Goodbye.